Lord, show me the way. Yes, sir. Send me the way. Yes, sir. Send me the way. Show me, Lord, show me. Show me, Lord, show me.
Today we're gonna get into a very simple, easy video. I'm gonna show you guys how to transfer or how to get Disney font or Disney words, how to create them and send them to Design Space so that you can use for your own personal projects. So we're gonna get straight into this. Gonna go ahead and head to Safari. If you're on a MacBook or if you're using a regular laptop, head to your web browser. You're gonna type in Disney font free, and then you'll hit search. And this very first website, Font Space, is the website we'll be using, so you'll click on it. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna just go ahead and scroll down just a little bit. Just a little bit. And as you can see, we got our Disney font right here. What we're gonna go ahead and do is click on it. It'll bring you to your next page. Now it's showing you two different fonts. I like this first one because when you look at the Disney word, that's what I envision personally as the Disney font. So what we'll go ahead and do is I'll go ahead and just type in my name and it'll show you exactly how it would look for both font styles. So just for video purposes, I'll go ahead and put in Princess Layla. All right, and as you can see, Princess Layla in both fonts. I'm gonna go ahead and choose the very first one, and from here you'll go to the side, and where it has a picture of like an image, it says save your image. So you'll go ahead and click that, and it'll direct you to this screen. Now you have the option to choose solid background, which will be white, or transparent, but of course you want it to be transparent so that way it'll easily upload into Design Space and you won't have to, it'll already be set and ready for you to cut. I'll go ahead and hit save image, and I'll go ahead and change the name, but if you're using a MacBook, you want to make sure that it still has .png at the end so that the file format can remain the same. I'll just name this Princess Layla Disney font .png. Hit save. And now I'll get out of this. I'll go to my recent downloads and pull it up right here. And what I'm gonna do, since I'm using a MacBook, I'm gonna go ahead and click this button right here and hit add to photos. That way it'll add directly to my photos. Then I'm gonna head over to Cricut Design Space. Now from here, you'll hit upload, then hit upload image, hit browse, and it should be in my recents. Yup, recents, Princess Layla. And since it's just words, I'll just go ahead and hit simple, then hit press continue. And it is already transparent, so you don't have to worry about going in the letters and making them transparent. Everything is already set for you. So you'll hit apply and continue. And you'll hit cut image. This way you can use regular heat transfer vinyl for whatever projects you have. Or if you're using some type of heat transfer paper, then you'll use print then cut image. Hit upload. Click on your image. It add the canvas, and here's your words. Here's your words, plain and easy. But yo, if this video helped, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification for more videos like this. Let me know what kind of projects that you plan on doing with this Disney font. I know it's Christmas season. Some Christmas themed Disney projects might actually be a huge hit. But yo, as always, keep applying pressure to life because life has no boundaries. Until next video, we out.
Show me the way.